Here's another example of some issues that can happen. Take a look. It's going down right and it's bouncing nicely. At one point, it's going to go to the other side. Whoops, now it's not working. It stopped working. What's the problem over here? Let's look at the code on the left. When it was going down right at the beginning, then it made the change to go down left. And then it went about its own business back to, you know, the beginning, the loop, blah, 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 blah. But when it's on the left side, if it's going down left, right? So it's going to do a down right. But as soon as it does it down right, it's going to encounter the next line that it says, well, if it is down right, go down left. It's like these two cancel out. And then you're back to as if they not were not there. And it becomes, that wall becomes invisible because the instructions are pretty much contradicting each other. So what would be a good suggestion? Because even if you try to move things around like it happened here, when it was going down right and then down left, and then it got out of these block of statements, no matter what you do with this, you can switch it around, but there will always be a possible combination in which they will offset. So there are several things you can do, but the quickest thing that I noticed that works for that type of code that you write is turn them into ellipses. So if one of them is happening, right? Let's take a look at this example. If one of them is happening, which is down left, then go down right. And so this condition is true if you have an ellipse for all these three. Then it's not going to do the next one and it's going to move along. If that's not enough, I will add code to each of these group of conditions and response to the conditions. Would that add one more response, which is, well, move it forward in the same direction that it's supposed to be going. Meaning, if you have it down right over here, that means that I am going to move this block further down right. Meaning I am going to, down right means that I am going to increase the, so if it's coming from down left, I'm going to increase the left wall, and I'm going to increase also the top. So I get it out of that range that kind of traps the blocks. So you don't want to go from not seeing the wall because it's kind of it's a washout, to actually now getting trapped. So give it a try. First try without moving faster out of that range by adding the move that you have written in the code above, when it's going just through the center, that it wasn't bouncing at all, and so you don't fall in that trap. And make sure you have the ellipse, because otherwise this down left and then it changes to down right, but then when it becomes down right, which is the next line, it's going to become down left. All right, that should fix another issue. I don't think there are many more issues than those. I mean, they might look like there are other issues, but they all pretty much are solved the same way. So give it a try. If you encounter an issue that I haven't presented yet, and that is definitely different than this, let me know. All right, I'll make another short video.